Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is foldable number 1 for section 7.1, exploring exponential models, and we're going to look at either growth or decay for this one. Alright, this one here, we're going to zoom in a little bit. Alright, so we got graphing an exponential function. What is the graph of y is equal to 2 to the power of x? So we set up a table already, and we set up a table and we set up our graph. So we're basically just going to be plugging in these numbers here into this equation and seeing what we get. All right, so the first one we have is y is equal to, and then we have 2 to the negative 3, which is our first one here. Well, every time you have a negative in the exponential value, that makes it over 1. Remember, we take the reciprocal, and it just becomes 2 to the positive 3. Well, 2 to the 3 is 8, so this is going to equal 1 over 8. So this one here will be 1 over 8. Which is approximately, what is it, like 0.125 or so. Alright, the next one would be y is equal to 2 to the negative 2, is the next one here. This once again is going to be 1 over 2 to the 2, which is going to be equal to 1 over 4. 1/4, which is going to be around 0.25. Okay. Next one here we have negative 1. We have y to the 2 to the negative 1. This is going to equal 1/2 to the 1 power, or just 1/2, which is 0.5 around, or it is 0.5. 0, y is equal 2 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is just 1, so it's just going to be 1, which is at 1. Then we have y is equal to 2 to the first power, which is going to be equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 to the second power, which is 4. It's 2 to the second power, which is equal to 4. And then y is equal to 2 to the third power, which we know is 8. So 2 to the third power, which we know is 8. And now we just plot our points. We have negative 3, and then so this is 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 2, 3, negative 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It looks like we're only going to 8, but it's okay. Negative 3, excuse me, to 0.125 would be negative 3. 0.125 is going to be really close here. We have negative 2, 1, 2 to the 1/4, which is about right there. Negative 1 to 0.5, negative 1 to the halfways. 0, 1, so 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3, 8. So that's 3 and 8. It's about right there. And if we graph this graph's going to look like this, going upwards. So obviously this is going to be a exponential growth, because we're going upwards. If we were going downwards, then it would be decay, but since we're going upwards, it's going to be an exponential growth.